So we built this as part of our daddy and daughter Father's Day event yesterday. We 3D printed these tracks to complete. Yeah, to complete the tracks. So we printed these one here and this one here. So this train can do a loopy loop and go up and go. Ooh.
It goes down.
Yeah, it goes down. Makes a loop. Make it drive it around the loop. Yep, and then it's back and then it go up. Alright. Yay! Then it makes another loop over there. So we printed that and then we printed this to help it stand so it doesn't fall easily. We have another one here. And then
it won't fall.
yeah, and then we printed this to hold it in the middle.
So it won't get wrong.
Yeah, and then it can go around the loop, go up the bridge, and then make another loop. So let's drive it one more time.
Then another loop.
Yeah.
Baby wants to push it.
All right, baby, push the train. Yeah. All right. Choo choo. All right. Drive it up the hill, up the bridge. Up.
Now baby wants to push it.
Woo!
I want baby to push it.
Up.
To fall.
All right. Now, baby, drive.